In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import a customer list to Zoho Books. If you need to bring an existing customer list into your Zoho Books account, the process is quite straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact path inside the platform so you can complete the import smoothly and avoid confusion along the way. To begin, open your web browser and go to your Zoho Books account. Make sure you're signed in and on the main dashboard before moving forward. Starting from the correct account is important, especially if you manage more than one organization, because you want to be sure the customer list is imported into the right place. Once you're inside Zoho Books, look over to the main navigation menu and click on Sales. This section contains all the tools related to customers, invoices, and other sales activity, so this is where you'll go whenever you need to manage customer records. After that, click on Customers. This will open the Customer Management area, where you can view your existing customer list and add new entries. If you already have customers in the system, you'll see them listed here. If not, that's completely fine. You can still continue with the import process. Next, click the three dots. This menu usually contains additional actions that are not shown directly on the page, so if you don't immediately see the import option, the three-dot menu is the place to check. Once that menu opens, click Import and then click Import Customers. This tells Zoho Books exactly what type of data you want to bring into the system. From there, click Continue and follow the prompts shown on your screen to successfully import the customer list. During this part, Zoho Books may ask you to select your file, confirm the data format, and match the columns in your file with the correct customer fields in Zoho Books. Take your time here, because accurate field matching helps ensure that names, contact details, and other customer information are placed correctly. As you go through the prompts, review everything carefully before completing the import. If something looks off, it's better to fix it before finalizing the process. A clean import will save you time later and make your customer records easier to manage. Once the prompts are complete, Zoho Books will process the file and add your customer list to the Customers section. And that's how to import a customer list to Zoho Books.